Hi, thanks so much for joining us at Rallyhood today. Today I'm going to be demonstrating your gallery on your navigation bar inside of an individual rally. This is your navigation bar. I'm going to click on Gallery today. Here you can click to add a photo, you can click the drop-down menu and you can create a new album, add the title of your album and save. Then you can click on an album, let's say Pause Animal Shelter. You can even directly add photos into your albums by clicking the plus sign here, and it will go directly into your album. You can click this tool here to edit. You can change your title, add a description, delete, and always be sure to save if you're making changes. Let's go back to our gallery. If we click on the drop-down menu again, you can see that you can search for keywords. Let's say workshop. And our painting workshop will appear. You can also drag and drop albums and nest them. Let's say we wanted to nest beach day cleanup and camp. That was one of the activities. And now, let's click on camp. And beach day cleanup lives inside this gallery. Let's go back to the gallery. And back to the drop-down. Click on Settings. If you are an admin, you can change the gallery section information from here. You can change the label. You can save photos, pictures, albums. You can change the icon. You can set permissions to all members may post here. All members may view, but only Rally admin may post here. And you can make this page viewable to individuals outside of Rallyhood. Always be sure to click Save. Any member of a rally can create an album, view photos, and upload and download photos. If you'd like to navigate back to your Rallyhood dashboard, click on the Rallyhood logo in the left-hand corner. We hope that you found this information to be super helpful in your experience on Rallyhood. Thank you again for watching this Rallyhood tutorial video. If you have any tech troubleshooting questions about our Rallyhood desktop or mobile app experience, please feel free to contact us at support@rallyhood.com. Thank you.